I'm Dr. Nancy Phillips, and I am at the Warren, New Jersey site. Well, if we want to take a deep dive into how I started with research, it would have been my high school teacher who convinced me to do a project to be in the science fair. But my true love, I think, was medicine. And when I worked in academics, I realized that you could combine research and medicine together. And I loved that part of academics. Well, having been in, OB/GYN for the past 30 years, I clearly am interested in doing things in women's health. I had a focus during my practice of vulvovaginal disorders, menopause, chronic pain conditions, and certainly there is so much more that could be investigated in that area that I'm looking forward to being involved in trials like that. But I think branching out and learning what has been going on in IMA has been really interesting, and there's such an overlap. I don't think people realize how much gynecology is primary care medicine, how much of obstetrics is management of hypertension and diabetes, how much management of menopause is about weight gain and obesity. And I think it's just a really nice overlap between medicine and women's health. So I'm really excited about all of it. I think when patients are in a clinical research study, one, they love being involved because they're curious about what they have too. And they want to help not only themselves, but they want to help other people. So I think they really are engaged. And you spend so much time with them, you get to know them, they get to know you. It becomes a personal relationship as well. I've had women who we've treated for some menopause conditions, some pain conditions, who had amazing outcomes with some new therapies. And it's so fulfilling for them to feel better, for you to know that you're helping them, and to have such a purpose and such an impact on the general population. I think it was right place at the right time. I saw something come from IMA through one of our email systems, and I explored it, and it sounded wonderful. And I thought, you know what, I can do this. This is a great transition. This is a great next step. This kind of fulfills everything that I want to do. And since I've been here, it's been great. Everybody is friendly. Everybody is dedicated. Everybody knows what they're doing. I walked into the office and I felt like I was part of the office from day one. And I just think overall it's been and will be a great experience.